So you guys, welcome back to Akahilz. We're live on CoinMarketCap blog Alexandria. Article was done by Connor Sefton. Says that Gemini has big metaverse plans after $400 million raise. So we're going to be reviewing this article. Guys, if this is your first time coming to our YouTube channel, feel free to subscribe, like, check for beneficial airdrops and more, guys. For our crypto lovers, there are lots of giveaways going on from different platforms that we've covered, so you want to check them out for the ones that are beneficial to you. So Cameroon and Tyler Winklevoss have unveiled plans to take on one of their oldest rivals, Facebook and Mark Zuckerberg. So the twins who co-founded the Gemini crypto exchange just completed a $400 million funding round. So this is the first time they've ever secured financing from external sources. And as a result, Gemini has now commands a valuation of $7.1 billion. So it's a deal that has profound ramifications for their net wealth too. So according to Forbes, the brothers had a collective worth of about $6 billion in April. Fast forward to now, and this is closer to $10 billion. So speaking to the publication, Cameroon and Tyler revealed that the exchange plans to go toe-to-toe with Zuckerberg on the Metaverse. So the twins famously won a multi-million-dollar settlement from Facebook after alleging that the idea for the social networking site had been stolen from them. So Cameroon told Forbes. So there's these two parallel paths in terms of technology right now. So there's a centralized part like Facebook or Fortnite. That is one step from being a metaverse. That's totally fine. But there's another part which is decentralized metaverse. That's the metaverse where we believe there's greater choice, independence, and opportunity. There's technology that protects the rights and dignity of individuals. So, guys, we have a CoinMarketCap podcast here, which you can check up on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and Google Podcasts. So, next in line, we have the Winklevoss are planning to build a Gemini experience in different metaverses where you can go into the Gemini and trade, but it will be a immersive instead of on your phone. So Morgan Creek Digital led the funding round for Gemini, and its general partner Sachin GT said their vision for the role of crypto in redesigning money, the financial system, art and internet, and the track record of incubating and scaling our innovative technologies give us confidence in Gemini's ability to continue to be an industry leader. So Cameroon and Tyler are known for their bullish stance on Bitcoin, and they have repeatedly advocated for a price of $500,000 per BTC, a milestone that would allow the cryptocurrency to overtake the capital market capitalization of gold. So, in response to the digital assets recent correction, Cameroon wrote on Wednesday, the battle for 60K is raging, Spartans hold the line. So, guys, that's all on CoinMarketCap today. Hope you find this informative. Feel free to like, share, subscribe. If you buy keys, you can drop your comments in the comment section. See you in our future uploads, and stay safe. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Subscribe.